30 days of standby time, 5 atmosphere waterproof, ultra thin metal build frame, full touchscreen on the IPS display. Hey there, I'm Hans, this is the Banggood channel. Today we will look at the newest Kospet Magic 4 smartwatch, and for those who have the purchase decision, we will leave the link in the video description. Kospet Magic smartwatch rated at 5 atmosphere waterproof guard, which means you can take a watch with you for up to 50 meters of deep diving. It's easily operable, turn on swimming mode and track your burned calories, heart rate, swimming time and training level while you swim. The most advanced smartwatch on the market, Magic 4 is ultra thin, lightweight and designed with the latest Bluetooth 5.0 technology, with up to 7 days of battery life on a regular use and 30 days if not used, and is compatible with both Android and iOS users. In addition, the Magic 4 is capable of measuring your heart rate, blood pressure. It also measures steps taken, distance traveled, calories burned. The Kospet Magic 4 smartwatch has a 1.32-inch full-color touch TFT IPS screen with a 360-pixel resolution with a 385 ppi density. The touchscreen is responsive with a beautiful user interface, giving you quick access to features, plenty of sport modes, income message notifications, watch settings, heart rate, blood pressure, sleep statistics, blood oxygen, a variety of watch faces. And you can even play a pre-installed game, which I found very interesting. Most importantly, the display brightness is adjustable and it is visible in a bright environment. The smartwatch is on 22mm soft silicone straps with stainless steel buckle. You can also get the pink one for your girl or mom if you like it, which also looks delightful. The companion app called DA Fit is available for Android and iOS users. And always, you can download the app and have a look yourself even before buying the smartwatch. And that's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, leave us your likes and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and have a good time.